Facebook Profile Lock is like adding an additional layer of privacy to your Facebook profile account. Only friends will see the photos and posts on your profile, as well as your full-size profile picture and cover photo. So let's see how to activate Facebook Profile Lock. Once we open the Facebook app, this is the screen we first see. We need to click the profile icon in right side of the screen. Next, we need to click Settings and Privacy tab. And again, we need to click the Settings tab. We need to scroll down the screen to Audience and Visibility section. Here, we need to click the Profile Locking tab. You can see all the privacy and visibility features, which will be activated when we lock our Facebook profile. And we need to click Lock Your Profile button to continue with the profile locking process. And we are done locking our Facebook profile. A new Facebook user will find the Facebook profile lock. I am hoping this content was of help to you. You can subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get new updates or tutorial content like this.